All right, welcome back. So now we're going to be looking at account operators. Lost my place. Account operators. So what account operators are able to do are we are able to add people to a domain. We can add users, anything we want really, we can do with that. Okay, so they're able to pretty much add users to a domain, even though we're not an administrator on the domain there. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at that like real quick. So we have a user on here. Nope, wrong machine there. There we go. Net user, right? We can enter here. Okay, we have this Ryan Y user like right here. All right, and that's user account on subranges DC. If I do net user slash domain, I don't believe that that's a domain account. Oh, we do actually have a domain account like right there. So let's go ahead and let's try to add in a new user. So let's do a who am I slash all. We can see that we are an account operator here, right? We have account operators like right here. Okay, and that's built in, so we can add a local user to this machine and make him a local administrator. So let's go ahead and do a net user, new user slash add. All right, and the password policy does not meet the requirements. No, it doesn't. Okay, so we'll say ps on sswrd exclamation point, and we added that new user now, right? Because we have that account operators group. We are administrator on here, but for right now, we're just going to pretend like we're not, because account operators can do the same things with adding users and things like that. From there, we can then add them to a different group. We can say net user or net local group, because we're a local account operator, right? Net local group administrators slash add new user. And now that is now complete successfully. So we'll do net local group administrators. We go ahead and see that that new user is inside that group like right there. All right. We can also do that same exact thing for domains slash add. And we're just going to say this time net group instead of local groups, not local slash domain. All right. The group name cannot be found because there is no such thing as administrators like that. So we're going to do domain admins. And this command now completes successfully. And we now have added this new user onto the domain admins group, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at that like real quick. We can do a net group domain admins. And we can see that new users in there. We can also see that I am not a domain admin on this machine, right? I'm not a domain admin. Okay, but since I have that account operators group on this local machine, I'm able to add people into the domain for that. All right, so that's about it for account operators. Hopefully, I'll learn something. I'll talk to you all later.